Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something pretty cool, especially if you are into sailing, weather tracking or just love precise instrument. This is Marinelite MI9000 anemometer. In this video, we are going to test it and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get into it. Marinelite MI9000 comes with data sharing cables which we can interface other equipments like GPS. We have to connect our anemometer with GPS and other things where we need our anemometer feed. So we use these type of cables, and it comes with some fuses and some screws. On other end there's antenna cable, and that's the antenna connection. I have to make the antenna connection up in the junction box. That's the power, and the other connector is for antenna. The Marinelite MI9000 isn't just any anemometer, it's designed for marine environment, meaning it's built to be durable, weather resistant and highly accurate. This tool is great for sailors, drone pilots, paragliders or even science geeks who love tracking weather. If you need to know how fast the wind is blowing, this is the gadget for you. Let me show you inside the menu. In the system, there's a language preference, there's a time, key beep when you press some key and it makes sound. Source option where you wanna connect it. From GNSS, like you have to connect it with GPS, ECOS and compass. Let's talk about some function. Here is AST. Here's you can do the adjustment of your direction, heat manual and heat auto. Alarm, you want alarm sound, alarm set. Unit, here you can set your unit of wind speed and temperature. From here you can interface this anemometer with other equipments like GPS. You have to set the baud rate from here, output and version, and you can check the output sentence from here. Let me show you other option. This option is for night visibility, day and night. Alarm list, this is to lock the screen for accidental touch. This is accurate and quick reading, lightweight and portable, easy to use. So should you get the Marinelite MI9000? If you need a reliable, no fuss anemometer that gives you real-time data on the fly, absolutely it's affordable, accurate and super easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Got any question about MI9000? Drop them in the comment. Thank you so much.